Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back with your daily content. Today we're going to be talking about a very lucrative way to make anywhere between $1,000 to $10,000 plus a month with zero startup cost. Now this is something that I've actually utilized in the past. This is something that I did initially, when I wanted to start making money online, and I didn't really have much money at all because I was still a kid. Now, I started doing this roughly around like 4 or 5 years ago when it was actually very, very new. But now it's still something that is new. It's a little oversaturated in terms of the market, but it doesn't mean that you can't make money from it because trust me, I still see it being a huge thing on eBay. And let's just dive in. But before we fully jump on into this video, I do just want to ask guys, can hit that like button. It does help the YouTube algorithm really kind of push my channel, and of course, you guys know that I do greatly appreciate it. Now, I have this, set of two nightstands, solid wood end table, bedroom storage, whatever. Now, I found this easily on Walmart, and the way that I did find this was I searched the image with Google Lens. As you guys do see, Google Lens will open up over here and really kind of find it. Now you can really see where this is listed already. Like for example, I see it on eBay here, but you do see it also on Walmart. Um, Now there's already a set of two here for $64.90. And I mean, you can find this really on other places as well if you kind of keep searching. Now, the reason why I bring this up and the reason why I talk about this is because this is actually a very, easy way to find out if this product is actually being sold somewhere else cheaper. Now, I found this on Walmart. It's not really cheaper at all because if you take into accountability that this is a set of two, it's just a one for $55. But don't let that, chase you away. You could actually see a seller on here, right? So, for example, this is being sold and shipped by Easing Room. Now, I could actually click this seller and I can contact them and ask them about, cheaper pricing for these products, which they will most likely give it to you at a cheaper price because you got to remember you're cutting out the middleman who is Walmart and you're basically getting that, item at a cheaper rate. But there's so many other, items that you can possibly dropship on eBay. I also, found that if you go over to AliExpress, you could also find nightstands and things like that at a very cheaper price. I actually utilized AliExpress very early on, and the best way that I have found, to find, cheaper products is either, looking at AliExpress, see if they have the item cheaper. Of course, you have to account for, shipping costs and things like that from AliExpress because you are still, utilizing shipping costs off of AliExpress. You also run the risk of AliExpress sending them the product with the AliExpress logo within the box or, a drop shipping, pamphlet, which it does get sent out a lot. So it's much better to find something that is on Walmart that is at a cheaper rate than what you are seeing on eBay. Now, again, you could find anything on here. You can go to electronics, you can go to home and garden, you can go to clothing and accessories. Like for example, in terms of like home and garden, so let's actually go to home and we're gonna go to let's see, we'll just go to household and cleaning supplies for an example. So here you really kind of want to see what you could possibly sell. Um, they have like pretty much anything on eBay. Let me see. Actually, let me go to. I have a better idea. Let's actually go to coffee makers, and I just want to see if there's anybody selling a massive amount of these. You can really kind of see it if like you find something that individuals are selling a massive amount of numbers of. Um, so I'm actually not seeing any. Let me go to. Let's go to bunk beds because I know bunk beds are always a huge seller on here. So let me go to bunk beds, home furniture, get it. So here we go. Um, so this one sold 38 at 220, and this one actually sold at $127.60. This one sold 75, last one. So we're actually gonna go off of this one. Let me go to Walmart and see. Well, let's kind of reverse engineer this image and let's see if we can actually find this from Walmart. So 75 have sold at roughly an average of $248. So they sold 75. This is roughly almost $20,000 that they sold here. Don't know when this listing actually went live, but let's check out if I can get this for a cheaper price somewhere else. Now you can look through here and really kind of see if there is a cheaper price somewhere else. I seen Walmart up there, but it was not at a cheaper price. So this one might be a little bit of a scratched one. So let me see this Walmart listing and see what's going on here. See if they have this. So yeah, I guess they are selling it for $249. So this is actually pretty much a good deal, technically, if you are looking at, a bunk bed. But you could kind of just look through and see. There's a ton of them on here. Like, for example, this is like a sponsored item, so they are actually paying for this to be pushed. So I would assume that they're making a pretty good profit on this item. Let me actually look and see if this is being sold somewhere else. So 112 sold, $270. So we could get it from Amazon for 242, but that is not a good deal. Here's actually an eBay or an Walmart listing. So this is actually a very expensive one. We found this one for 249. We're seeing 249. Again, it's you have to really kind of look through. Here's one, actually. I think that this might be. I think that this is literally the same one. Let me just kind of ensure that it is. It might be wrong. Yeah, I think that this is. I don't think that this is the same one. No. But again, it's like kind of, trial and error. You want to just look through and find an item that you can drop ship off of, again, Walmart. Like, for example, if I shop all bunk beds, it doesn't even have to be specifically that one. You could also go to either all filters, and you can go to retailer, and you can go to either pro sellers or Walmart. Sometimes the pro sellers are the better option because it will give you a better deal. Or you can go to special offers and go to reduced price and clearance and also rollback. And this gives you a little bit of a better price on some of the items. I noticed that I have done in the past. I done very good in terms of looking at, clearance items and reselling those. Like, for example, this one, you're getting it for $654, and you're actually the total amount for this was at some point in time over $1,000. So this is a high ticket item. And you guys did see the price there. It's like almost $1,200. So let's actually look at this. So twin over twin wood bunk bed with trundle and storage. Let's see if we could actually, let's just kind of reverse engineer this and see if we could find this on eBay and see if somebody's actually selling this on eBay. So we do see this being sold on Amazon. Let's see if we see this on eBay. So here we have it on eBay, $720. Let me see if there's other eBay listings for it. Alibaba actually has one similar. We actually found one on eBay that is selling it at the full price too. So here we have this is basically the same exact item as you guys do see. Same pretty much images as well. I know they're utilizing a little bit different image. But this they are selling it for $720, free shipping. So they're still turning a profit of over roughly $70. Usually you're looking at about like a profit point of like 5 to 10% on each one, but you're not really touching the item. But like I said, this is on. So this actually, I think this is, yeah, this is the same exact item. Um, for $768. Now, mind you, a lot of people are most likely like you can actually get a better deal if you buy in bulk sometimes. This one you're not getting a better deal, but sometimes on Alibaba I noticed that you could actually get a very good deal if you do purchase in bulk off of Alibaba. Now, I'm not saying purchase in bulk, or I'm not even saying hold capital in terms of inventory. I'm just saying that I've seen people do that. But here's an individual actually selling this item at a full price, and I'm just utilizing these items as a example of something that you could drop ship. I've done in the past, and this is actually a very good selling point. I've noticed that pet products and baby products are the ones that really sell the most. For example, baby cribs. So, in general, when you go over to eBay and you go to baby crib, now the first ones that are going to come up are a few that are, being watched. I actually clicked this one because this one actually had 214 sold. But you can kind of look through here and see a few. This one has 16 watchers. Let's see this. 1 second. So 5 sold. So let's actually see. I'm pretty sure Walmart would have this. So 300 and almost $17. 5 sold. And we do see that this is actually from Walmart. I could actually get this from Amazon for $250 and turn a profit of over $70 on this. Again, that's a very good profit point. Here's the product from Walmart itself for $272.58. So it's actually a better deal if I purchase this from Amazon. So let me actually check. So yeah, I mean $241. Most likely free shipping if you have Amazon Prime. Free delivery is Tuesday, May 3rd. So here is something that I could sell this for technically $317. Now, they sold 5 already, which is $1,585. Now, the cost for this item is $241, which roughly takes the cost to around $1,209. You're still profiting about $376 after taxes, or not after taxes, after eBay fees. You're probably still walking away with roughly $350. Now, this is off of one listing. We're not just going off of one listing. We are doing multiple listings at a time. But that is a perfect one to look at. There's other ones on here, though. You could list as many of these as you want. Here's a Da Vinci Autumn 4-in-1 convertible crib. Again, you can kind of just look and compare the prices. Like here's another one, same one. They're just offering this at a higher price. And you can click these and see if these have sold. Here's 25 sold. So, 25 at $268.65. There's $6,700. And if we research this and kind of find this, we might be able to find this at a cheaper price. So $229 from Wayfair, $230 from Target. Not finding it anywhere else, but again, these are just lucrative side hustles that generate some income for you. And this is like a no upfront cost. You just buy it when somebody buys it off of you, which means you're basically going out and buying this once you get paid, essentially. But baby items are huge. I know that a lot of these are very, very lucrative, especially if you could play it, right. If you go to, let me actually go to filters. Hold on. I don't know. I don't know if they actually have like most sold or something like that, because I really want to see if they have like a most sold section or something like that. But I'm not seeing one here. We'll just go to sold items. Let's see. So here's one. This one's sold. I don't know if I think that these are just buy it now ones where like they're just kind of listing it once. Or this one actually sold 3 times. So that's interesting. This one sold. We just checked that one out. Here's another one. I think that we just looked at one similar to this, so this one actually just ended fully. So they only sold one. Here's one. They're actually charging shipping on this one. And like I said, you could get this with free shipping. Um, they paid over $270 on this one, and you could probably get it for like roughly like $200. So all of these, again, like I said, a lot of these are the idea on you're just basically finding something that you can get for cheaper at Walmart and listing it on eBay and basically selling it. Now, like I said, you could do anything. It doesn't have to just be cribs. It doesn't have to be, this, that. You can list multiple items. I think initially when I started, it was like roughly 5 years ago, I was listing anywhere between 10 to 20 plus items a week. And the more items you have, the more eyes you have. Excuse me. And you want to keep looking to see if the price updates on the listings, and really kind of see where things are. But this is something that could easily profit you over $1,000 to $10,000 a month. And I'm not just talking about in sales, I'm talking about in profit. So with that in mind, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on. If you guys want more free content, you guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. As always, up to you all. Have a beautiful day or a beautiful night. Wherever you guys are on this beautiful world. This has been Nick. Peace out, guys.